The execs who want clear return on investment on the brand investment are also the ones who have the most terrible go-to-market effectiveness. And the reason is because they're thinking in the wrong way. And so they want everything attributed on last click, they want everything visible, so they use MQLs, they use multi-touch attribution, all of those tools that are brilliant to make a terrible work. And so the whole thing has to be rethink if you want to work effectively, and definitely the KPIs. And when you think about brand is about building trust. It's about building trust with people who are not going to buy now. So obviously, you're not going to be able to track that. And no, the LinkedIn impressions are not going to do it for multiple reasons. Is that you have no causality element, and also only 30% of professionals are on LinkedIn. And so when you think about what drives brand, what do we expect? We expect more people coming to the website. We expect to have a bigger share of voice or a share of search. We expect to have more branded traffic, more direct traffic, a lot of like unpaid traffic coming to your website, which by the way is brilliant because that means that reduce your customer acquisition and increase your margin. If you don't have to pay for your traffic to come to your website, that's a big win, and that's going to have a massive impact on CAC. On the other side, if you want everything to be tagged marketing, like if you're using MQLs, marketing source pipeline, all of those kind of terrible KPIs, every time you'll have to pay for that traffic so you can tag it to marketing. And when you evaluate marketing on this, obviously that's exactly what they're going to do. And so as an executive, when you do this, you actually decrease the margin of your company, decrease the growth of your company, and decrease the whole effectiveness of your company. Like you are really doing a bad job doing this. And just talk to your sales team. Your sales team know. Like when your sales team have to compete against a competitor which has a very strong brand, they know the pain, they feel the pain. So you don't need to have like very precise measurement metrics to understand the importance of brand. Just a bit of business common sense. So here's a conclusion to anybody who wants to have a clear ROI on your brand investment you want. And also the ROI you see on your other marketing investment is not the real ROI, because there's a very big difference between platform ROI and incremental ROI, what has really driven the business. For example, retargeting, brand search always has a beautiful ROI. Why? Because it's capturing people who are already in the process of buying. And so you're just paying more. And so you inflate your customer acquisition cost, you reduce your margin, and you reduce the effectiveness of your go-to-market. So when you think, oh yeah, I want a clear ROI in this, think about it, because the ROI you see right now are probably not the real one. Now, fair enough, we need to be able to measure it. But as I said, there's many ways to measure it. Brand search, direct, traffic, share of voice, all of those, a lot of research have been done and showed that this precedes an increase in growth and revenue. So yeah, brand is the investment you need to do. It's going to make your margin better. It's going to reduce your customer acquisition cost. It's going to make your sales happier. There's just like so many benefits. And also like you're probably going also to see your stock option going up in value. So that's probably like a big benefit for you. So yeah, think about it. And you can reach me if you have any questions.